are just stopping by, watching my video. So let's just hang out and do this Boxycharm unboxing. So this is for the month of January, and I'm super excited because I've been seeing a bunch of spoilers for what's in here. And so let's see. We're just gonna dive right in. I'm not even gonna hesitate. Ooh. Okay, so it says Boxy and Chill. Whatever that means. Guys, this box, oh my gosh. I can't believe what's in here right now. Ooh. I'm really, I love this box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and read it to you. So 5 full-sized things in here, and let's see. First thing is the Rio Geo Rosquero Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. It's for your hair. Looks like this. It is 2 ounces, and so it's Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Cool. Oh, so it's just like a little conditioning spray. My hair's not wet. It's fine. Ooh, it smells really good. Cool. I love stuff for my hair. And that sells for $12. Let's see the next thing. The next thing I'm really excited about. It is a product from Oprah Cosmetics. It's a long-lasting liquid lipstick. Originally $20. This is it. So pretty. Okay. I love to smell things. But this is smells like cupcakes. Let's do a swatchity swatch. Ooh, I love dark lipsticks like this too. It's like a wine burgundy. Oh, it's called Havana Nights. Cool. Okay, I love that. Next, we have a product from Tarte. What is that? No, thank you. It's a limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 3, retailed at $36. So, here's the packaging. Let's open her up. Leave that alone. Okay. How cute. Oh, how cute. It's like a little peacock. Well, I think it's supposed to be a mermaid, but it reminds me of a peacock. Cute. Wow. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So there's Treasure, Escape, Tiki, Heatwave, Malibu, Rays, Compass, and Jewel. How pretty. Okay, next we have Tatcha. I've heard so many great things about the company, Tatcha, like the skin company, but it's a little too pricey for little mom. So we don't get Tatcha, we get great value. Okay, so this is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. Love me a good mask. This is supposed to nourish your skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated a bunch of other stuff. Restores skin's health and radiance. So it gives you 2 masks, and 2 masks retail for $24. Holy malarkey. So free show sales. I'm excited for this. I love masks. I'm really excited to try out Tatcha. Heard amazing things about them. Okay, our next little feller is, I think I got a little extra. yeah, I got a little bonus guy. So this is a Star Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. Retails for $19. So, let me see. It's like Boxycharm knows what I need because I've been needing eyeliner as well. That's funny. Just like a black eyeliner. I'm assuming this is black. It doesn't say anything else. Yeah, black. If I could get this open. Ooh. Oh, nice. It's a little retractable one. Cool. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this Oprah lipstick rubs off. So be careful. It's not kiss proof. Holy moly, my arm, look at that. And then it's all over my jacket or my sweater. Oh my gosh. That's it. Still pretty. I'll still wear it. Whatever. Okay, so now let's do this little feller. Ooh, real nice. This black. I like how it feels too. Really soft. Love it. And then this little bonus, Dr. Brandt. This is a luminizer primer. For all skin types, it's an illuminating primer. Let's see. And I've also been needing new primer because I use the Neutrogena primer and it's running out. Let's see what this feels like. Feels pretty good. Ooh, and then the more you rub it, it feels like wet. It's funny. It kind of smells like essential oils. I'm down. Cool. I liked that. So cool. So, yeah, I got this guy, this guy, these homies, this eyeliner, and then this little freebie. All for $21. Well, hi. Come here. Come here. Hurry. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I just went off camera and I tried this lipstick and I really, really like it. I think it's super pretty and the color's gorgeous. I just need to learn how to do my lipstick a little bit better because it's not like it's just a mess, but it's okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little Boxycharm unboxing, and if you did, please make sure to let me know so I can do these things monthly because I think they're really fun, they're really exciting. Like I just got this box from the mail and immediately I wanted to open it, but I wanted to share that with you guys because my last video with this, you guys were really about it and I got some good feedback. So if you enjoy it, just let me know. Leave a comment down below or just give this video a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You know the spiel, subscribe, like, share, whatever, all that good stuff. Yeah, so thanks for hanging out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for hanging out and for just hanging out. Nope.